Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yes, oh yes. Eh, 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 eh. Oh, 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 oh yes, guys. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, guys. The Sarah TV program in the building. Ha, ha. Eh, mm, 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 mm. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, everybody. It's Vera TV program in the building. As you can see that, as you can see me, you can see that, you can see me, guys. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, everybody at this Vera TV program. So you can see that. Mm, 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 mm. So you can see that, guys. So I stretch up. You can see that. You see that. They see the last line, guys. When you can see that, you can see I'm in the last line. I told you guys the other time. Now I enter one, I enter two. When you see now there is no space here. When you see it right here, just check it out from the both side. Can you see that? You see now just confront. Now see you see that? You see here? You see here? You know the builder. You see it? Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? Now see so make I show now well what you see it. See Can you see that, guys? Now see as they build down. So how cool. Now see Now see my side. Now see I don't eat all, I can see. You can see the time right there after 5. So I know if you tell me, I say after 5 since I never eat. When you check it now, you can see that yes, I've eaten. Okay. So you're supposed to see and say yes, I don't eat. So when you really see it now, you see and say yes, I don't shop, my beautiful people. So you see that as I look, you see as I look good and I look okay, my beautiful people. So now so my people, God will bless them. So you can see that, you can see it. Now so my people, God will bless and appreciate my Lord. This is Vera TV program in the building. So I'm back again. So my beautiful people, you can see as I look, you see that my new look. So I just still do my hair once again, so that no time to check time, my beautiful people. You can see everything right here. You can see as I look take away. So now so anyway, this my hair I go show now how I say they do, because many people say they like Vera, how did you do your hair? We like your hair. So I go show now, my people. I'll show on one day the dance. I tell the I will show on how I tell they do my hair. So now so my beautiful people, when you look at me right now, you can see that yes, that the waist trainer is really working. You understand? You can see that yes, the waist trainer is working. You see that? I close my leg now. You see? I close my leg now, right? I close it. Okay. Just look. You see that? See as I look. So now so my beautiful people, no time to check time. Now I'm not saying me, I know they do why, I know they do guru, I know they do magumango. So look good like me, look sexy and look good and look okay. You understand me? After children, see? You understand? So for this waist trainer, many of them go say and say yes, I don't date number like number 5. You understand? I don't date like number. So I don't date like number I say number 5, number 3 nowadays. So you people can see it now that yes, this is number 3, my beautiful people. Show you see I don't do the last line, so I'm still going to still wear this so that we look, make me look so now see so me, I'm a type of person, I don't do fake something, I don't know they do what TB say, not they real. So now see now I don't eat. You see I don't eat water if I never eat since morning. Sure, you see it. You understand? So now make me the talk. You can use it. Anybody can wear it. As in, if you be woman, wear and buy them. They wear them for house. You understand? It's very, very important. So be waiting you go your buy, you go throw, or maybe you just wear and once you go throw. No, try to wear it. Try to look good. You know, this is summer, guys. You see me? How do I look? See, this is my hair. I just nearly done today. So Barbara, my mom, just Barbara. So Barbara, if you see, I still put another color. Me not let them finish. You understand, guys? So you can see it's very, very good and it's very, very nice. Okay, you can see. So I don't did the third line, and so I will still wear this one like maybe 1 week. Then I'll come enter the last one. The last one when I show now that you know, say I told myself now till I get this is the second one when say I don't buy. This one is the second one when I don't buy for the waist trainer. Okay, guys, look at me now. See, you see, and because I don't eat you before, even flat pass like this, you see it, you see, see, don't I look sweet? Didn't I look good, guys? So now, so my people, God will bless me, appreciate me a lot. So I started to make I do this video. Many people not to say if you never buy, the wonder some people will say I don't get your number. When you are really watching me, guys, when you say you really watch me, suppose get my number. My number is on my wall there. As far as they watch, you should go to my my YouTube. You will see my number there. I always put my number there. You understand that they always put my number there, my people. So if you don't say you ready, you need them. You understand? If the number there, just contact me. Maybe the lady number is not there, just contact me. So I will send you the lady number. You understand me, guys? I will send you the lady number. You understand? So how do I look? Happy Sunday, guys. I greet you all. 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 Oh yes, you can see that, you can see my face. So look sweet, look nice, okay? You get picking on me say you don't go fine. You get picking say on me say because you don't born, not go make you look sweet, not go make you look good. No now. No. Maintain yourself, especially this belly. Don't live and say maybe because you're picking all the grass and talk that they know. They wear them. You understand me? If you wake up in the morning, like our big mommy and many now say that they wear and sleep. You see, very nice. Many they wear and sleep. Me say they wear and sleep. You can see now this is see now. After 5, I don't eat in my belly, but still look as how I still look sweet and look good because I always wear it. I always wear them. Okay, see the back. See the back, guys. See the back. Eh? Eh? You see the back. And see them. And see them. Side. Side. Look the back. Show no see as it's sweet, no see as it's hot, okay? No see you see that. So now so my people begin to wear them. If you don't wear them, then it must master you. It must stay used to you because you have been wearing it, you understand? Not just to wear them once, you just do you go through wear, not they use them again. And our beautiful men out there never buy for a wife, buy. So this waist trainer is very cheap and is affordable. Many of our beautiful women don't buy. Many of our beautiful, our men, they don't buy for their wife, don't buy for their ladies, their girlfriend. Many girls don't buy. You understand? Because it's very cheap, it's affordable. Nobody go say this waist trainer is not affordable because it's not cost. You understand? This one is £25, both the shipping. You know, some people sell it costly. You understand? Many people see sell, people they buy and talk of this one will be say it's cheap. You can see them. You see, if I don't use, I not go enter. The SL when I first use, it tight me the first day when I went. See here now. If you see here before, this place when this when you call the if you see here before, not here not the cut now. Before from here to here, it now the same. No space, nothing. So but now when you can see it very well, just look at it and you will see that yes. Now oh girl, you will say don't deal with it. See now. So now be this one tight away. You see. You see that? You see so now be the thing my people, buy and make you look good. As I dey build and so you can say never. No gas in one be rich, maybe 95 years, 80 years, maybe I don't start to build down. You know go feel big. You know go feel make my belly come big or my shape. I don't come get shape because why? I don't already build down. You see that? You see it? You see You see one person want to be like see here. This place now enter is here. See? You see So now be the thing, my beautiful people, my beautiful fans, my beautiful women out there. So God will bless all those people who say they don't see patronize this our sister that lives in UK. God will bless you so much. May you stay. Try be this and the other draw the trouser. So now so so that's so many people. So if you never buy, don't miss it. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. All of our beautiful women out there, many buy. As me, then until I get I buy. Theory. This is the second one. The last one is there. The only one will still enter the last one. So many women buy too. Many women buy theory as I take buy and so. So that they wear them. To still buy theory just for once, so that you go just know so that you go yourself with the use the go. You understand me? So now be the team, my people. God will bless and appreciate you a lot. Thank you for being there. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for viewing my channel. Please give your good thumbs up and your good comments. Leave your thumbs or your comments for them, my beautiful people. You understand? Good men with they look good, men with they look fine. You understand? So that's all those shit. Look at the bench. They come bench now. Kaka bar they didn't get show your nyash no green. You never see anything. So now, so my people, God will bless you. Oh, the cold. So now, so my people, God will bless you and appreciate you a lot. So that is it. Now, since I tell they do the advert, so go to YouTube. You will see and say now. So Ogbo get guests they do the advert, okay? Not to naked or to show your pants, no. But you see, as I do mine, is very very matured, huh? It's very very matured because I'm a matured lady. Oh yes, guys. oh, I cover leg. Oh. So now, so my people, God will bless you. So if you know, so you never order your, please order your own so that everywhere go good. You go look sweet. You go look nice. But my advice all the time is that when you buy it, no need for you to drop it one side and you will not wear it again. Just drop and no. Try to wear it. Try to the wear them. You they walk anything they do they wear. And if you still get time, maybe you want still wear and go jog. You are free to wear it and jog. Is good. It's part of the exercise and part of the tummy flats. Understand? As for me, I don't feel go the drink with it and no, but this one when I they see is okay for me and I love it. I like it. So that is the reason why you can see I wear it all the time. When I'm going out, I wear. And sometimes if I dey outside, I dey throw am. I'll still say I'm wear. If I not still wear, I'm not the lie. Me, I'm not that kind of person. But I they always wear am to the sense that when you be say you go fine, go good. You understand? So that my belly say I want to make it flat. If you flat, because tomorrow belly big, they make person lazy. You know, this abroad one day, so they make person tired, belly. And the thing will be say, even some people, they will be say they never even bought their belly they big. My dear sister out there, when you start my video, you need to buy, you need to order your own. Not let your belly come big before you come the wrong find solution here and there. No, don't let it happen first. You see that? You understand? So you see, so it go work for you. You understand? So many women don't buy, and God will bless all those women when you don't still buy, when they say they don't still buy. You see them? See that? You see them? Yeah, just go for it. You see that? Although me I fit get too cool, but at the time I dey build them now. So that you go see some girls who be say they'll say their nyash all big, oh, their nyash all big, all those kind of things. Many fit be say they don't even remove their rings. Okay? You understand? Fit be say many say not even remove rings. Now this thing when you use, if you read the user and they build your shape, now made for UK, they say they call them body shaper. Yes, it's true because it's really shaping your body and make you look good and make you look nice and make you look see that? You see on our side that show, so you see so now so my people, God will bless me, appreciate you a lot. Thank you for patronizing this our sister from UK. She did help me. Although waiting that they talk, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a dime. And I don't care or what bitch will be say that they talk, you understand? Because when you are doing something in this life, you need to do it for your heart. You understand me? Me buy. I look and say it's cheap, and I sit down and say, okay, I bet you will reduce and for. You say okay, and she really listen. So it begin to say, when you know you want to help people, you have fans out there. When you are selling anything, you have to reduce it so that many people can afford it. When you really know that you love them, you just want to help them for what you are selling. You understand me? So I don't know why they are dying, they are crying now. Where's straight now? Tomorrow. Where's straight now? Next tomorrow. Where's straight now? More now come they come outside. Let's do competition. Let's do. They can't, my guy. They can't, my refans, my people. So God will bless you. So if you never buy, don't miss this opportunity. You need to order your own. You need to buy your own, guys, so that it will make you look good. You understand? It will make you look nice. Don't fail to buy this. It's just opportunity. So you need to have that in mind Oh yes, oh yes, you need to have that in mind, guys. So now, so my people, God will bless and appreciate you, and I don't let this video too long because I'll enter live video for my pursue the enters anyway. So may I quickly tell you, my pursue the enters, my live video don't they work, you understand? I know they do live for them. So please, if you know so you never subscribe to my pursue the enter has TV, please try to subscribe so that anytime I do on live video and press that bell, you will know who I tell you the day live video for pursue them. So there will be a place where we're going to do hook up. Many things going to still go on for pursue the enter. If you know so you need hook up, not before my Vera TV program, not before my big channel, my small channel, but should then enter has TV. So when you know you need hook up, you are serious, you need really serious partner, you're ready, so you can contact. You see that? So if you know you need a partner, you need a hookup program, so what you just have to do, come to my pursue the enter has TV, subscribe. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so that anything they go on for there, you go there aware, you understand, my beautiful people, my beautiful fans. So thank you all for watching, thank you all for being there for me, thank you for subscribing to my channel. God bless you all and I appreciate you all. So I bless you now, I thank you now so much for supporting me. It's not easy anyway, you understand. So God will bless them so much. I appreciate you all. So now, so my people, so I just say make I still do another one for Namon and Sisi. Now the last line I did, so go and check the video I do, about 2 videos when I do, and I tell the 2 a bit 3 when I don't start to the day 1 I enter 2, from 2 I'm now 3. You can see the last line here, you see. You see? So you can see the last line here. So now, so my people, God will bless me. I appreciate you a lot. Thank you for being there for me. So thank you, my real people, my real fans. So I'm about to go now. So if you have not subscribed, please try to subscribe to Vera TV program. So one day I will show now how I take they do my hair. I know many people want to know how I do my hair. You can see that is the yellow like so you understand, let them white well. So now, so my people, God will bless now. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Oh yes, how do I look, guys? So order your own. Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss it, guys. Don't miss it, my lady. Don't miss it, my beautiful women out there. Don't miss this opportunity to try to get your waist trainer. Try to get your waist trainer. So try to get your waist trainer. So thank you very much. I appreciate you. So I'm about to go now. So please subscribe to my Pursue the Enter Has TV so that anything that is going on there, you will know what I'm doing there. So thank you. I appreciate you. So I'm about to go now. Bye. Oh yes, how do I look, guys? See that? See that? So they use your own beg. All our women will be so now done by. Please, none of the use them. None of the use now so that you go walk where I beg. So now they use them, go good. And one more look sweet and look nice. So alright guys, I appreciate you all. So I'm about to go now. Bye.